So I have been having questions flying in about how to access the directory into which you have installed your Frappe framework or your ERPNext instance. Now, that question is relative depending on where actually you created that specific folder. If you follow my blog here, Code with Karani, I created a directory in OPT bench, and that is where all our Frappe instances have been installed. For instance, the one that we have here, bench init ERPNext, you can see we are initiating this from this directory. So I changed. So I created this directory. I changed the user so that I can give ERPNext user the permissions to that directory, and then I switched into that directory. So from this point, we are working inside OPT bench. All right, OPT bench, CD OPT bench, and you can see that here. So if I go to my terminal here, let me make this a little bit larger for the sake of your eyes, and maybe I can also do that. So here, basically what I'm supposed to do, if you use my blog post, is just cd opt, and then here I don't have bench myself, I only have Google here. But if I had created this, you are going to see here when you list that you have Google and maybe you have bench, and therefore now you can just cd to bench, and then you are going to go ahead and access your instance from here. You're going to see them there. Now I have not done that, so in this installation I'm going to show you something different that I have been doing. I have not been installing in OPT bench, but rather I have been installing in the home directory of the Frappe user. So if I just switch to the Frappe user here, so I'll just do sudo su hyphen and then Frappe, and then I provide my password. You can see here the user has now been changed to Frappe. This one was Karani. If I list this directory, you can see I have my projects here. If I go out, like I exit, I am now in Karani. If I list, you can see here I have different things. So my my projects are in the home directory of Frappe user. So sudo su Frappe again. So I am here. I can clear this screen. So when I am here, this is where I have my projects, and therefore I can just cd into any project like Kejeka, and then I can bench start. All right, and you can see it is running. So let me clear this again. Basically, where you are going to access your bench directory depends on where you installed it. If you installed it in OPT, well, that is where it is going to be. If you installed it in home, that is where it is going to be. All right, that's it for this video. If you have questions, drop them down in the comment section below and I'll be able to attend to them. Thank you and cheers.